welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lindy, and this is lindiorslife. You're watching what I got today for you. But today is all about my hair and how I keep it cute and curled and like keep my natural hair from reverting throughout the week whenever I go to the gym and stuff. So yeah, today I'm just gonna take out to the gym with me a little bit, show you my whole hair routine, and then show you my nighttime hair routine that keeps my hair looking done throughout the week without me actually putting any heat in it. So yeah, just, you know, stay tuned and watch with me how I get the stuff done. I wanted to come on here obviously at the beginning so you see what my hair starts at. So here's the vibes. It's nice and curled, everything is straight, and we're doing good things. So yeah, you're just gonna come along with me today and see the vibes and see what I actually, you know, what I do to make things pop or whatever. Okay, hey y'all, we're back. So it's about 7 o'clock at night and this is what my hair looks like. I did comb it, but basically it's still got some curl in it, you know, still doing the do. Obviously, hair's still straight. So I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is for me to keep it that way. Is this all I use? I have this dry sweat headband from Walmart. It's like $4. I will link it down below. It's literally for your edges not to, like, you know, get sweaty and curl up. And then I just, you know, put it in a ponytail. So let me show you. Okay. Try to get, you don't want the hair to be like, you know what I mean, touching you while you sweat. So I just try to push it all back. Get you a tight ponytail. Sometimes I try to do a bun. Just depends on how I'm feeling. And then you take the headband. It doesn't matter if the words are in the front or not. And I just wrap all my edges up. And I try to, like how I have these down like this, I push them up in the headband. So all edges are in the headband. And we just make sure everything's good. Also, because it's a wig, you gotta make sure, you know, the back of the wig is in the headband as well. You don't want to get caught slipping. So yeah, this is how I work out. Just like this. So as you can see, I am now home. It's been about probably 20-30 minutes since, yeah, about 27 so 30 minutes since my workout, since I've been sweating. So basically I'm sorry. Basically the whole gist of this whole keep your edges straight and together is keeping this headband on until your hair is dry. Let me say that again. You keep this headband on until your hair is dry. Okay? Now, I mean, obviously, you don't know exactly when your hair is going to be dry, but you know what I mean. Keep it on for a while. So, I like to take my shower, get my food, and just kind of like get ready for the night. And then I'll probably take it off before, well, I have to do a podcast tonight, so I'm gonna take it off before the podcast and show y'all. But usually I'll just like keep it on like the whole time and then take it off before I start like wrapping my hair and getting ready for bed. And I'll show y'all that. So yeah, as you can see, it's still on in place, hasn't moved. I haven't touched it. And now I'm about to go, you know, take a shower and do all the things, get my dinner and all that. And then we're gonna come back to show you the final results of the edges. Okay. Okay. Wow, terrible. Bye. Okay. Alright, we're back to finally get this hair together for the night. So as you can see, we still straight, we still vibing. Y'all let me know if this camera angle is better than the last one. Honestly, y'all have seen a lot of different camera angles today. I tried to really show y'all how I managed this straight hair with no heat for a whole week. So hopefully you appreciate it. Hopefully you love it. But all right. So it's nighttime. You know what that means? We gotta wrap her. We gotta get her down. So this is what I use, literally. I have one big fat flexi rod, and I have, what is this, 5? Yeah, I have 5 little ones. I think today I might just use 4, but yeah, that's the tea. That's basically what I do. So this is what I do. I take the front section, a big chunk of it, by the way. And honestly, you don't have to like make sure the tracks are not showing stuff, because obviously you're going to sleep. So I take a big chunk of it and I just bring it up. I put the flexi rod, the big one, back here, and I wrap it. And it depends on how you want the curl to be, but I like my curls to be like how they were this morning. You know, insert video clip or whatever. So I wrap mine flat around the flexi rod, and then, you know, you just twist the end in, and then, you know, just twist the other end in. And that is the first flexi. So the back of my head is split in half. Yeah, split in half. So we're gonna go to the right half, split that in half. Take one little flexi rod, twist to the back. And remember, you gotta wrap it flat. So I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. Wrapping it flat, wrapping it flat. Then I kind of twist the ends just to make sure they locked in. And it depends on what you want your curl to look like. I try to keep them tight because they're gonna drop throughout the day, as you saw. So mine usually hang around this section. So next one, we're gonna get it. We're wrapping to the back, and we're doing like this. Twist the end, turn it in like that. Turn it in like that. I like to squeeze sometimes to make sure it's locked in, you know, locked in for life. You feel me? Anyway, now let's get on the other side. What I will say is my hair on this side, she like to not be involved. So today I'm gonna try something different and curl the top and then the bottom and see how that works. So flexi, and remember to wrap it flat if you want like flat iron looking curls, but if you want wand curls, this is what you do. If you want wand curls, then you would twist it like this, right? Like twist over, so it kind of has like that bubbly look, right? But we don't, that's not what I want personally, but if you want the wand curl look, that's how you get it. So back to wrapping it flat. We're gonna get it in motion. And then twist down, capture it all. Alright, I'm not a liar. We're definitely using 5 today. Twist, twist, twist. And I try to make sure everything lands around here on me whenever I do the curls, because like I said, they drop. I always have my hand in my hair, so like I'd be the reason also that they drop. Also because I don't put any product in it. Like I could probably like if you really want these curls to last, then you could put hairspray in, which I might try tonight. But generally I don't put any products in this because one, I want it to like I want the hair personally to last and not get too crunchy too fast, or you know, greasy or whatever, because then that kind of messes it up. It makes me want to, like, you know, put heat to it, thus damage it. It's a whole thing. So I try to go productless. Not try, that's what I do. I don't put any products in it for the whole week. And that's with my hair and the U-part wig as well. Oh, also, update on the U-part wig. So this is probably like my 4th video on this Wiggins U-part wig. And at this point, I've watched it a couple times, and I do know now that it's a shedder. It's definitely going to shed. So if you, I might move this one up because I have that one kind of high. If you were watching my videos and like trying to figure out if you want to buy it, just know after a couple washes it will become a shedder. Now it's still very soft, performs just like natural black hair, literally blends with my natural hair seamlessly, so I can look past the shedding because it's a fire U-part wig, like probably the most perfect one I could have bought because it blends so well. But just to update the girls, I don't want y'all to think I'm out here lying, y'all, because at first it just wasn't shedding for real. But after I probably watched, yeah, I've literally only watched it twice, and baby girl, she shedding. So just so you know, just to update y'all, because I don't want to be deceiving because I'm not that girl. And I paid money for this wig, so I'm gonna let y'all know what the tea is, so when y'all pay money, you know what it is or what it ain't. But I think shedding just kind of comes with getting hair, unless it's accepted. It doesn't really tangle, I will say that. It doesn't really tangle, but it does shed. So if it did tangle, then I would have been like, nah. But it's still good to me, it just sheds. So next step is I go in with my scarf, and just to keep my natural hair, because I could just put the bonnet on, but my hair on top, I know like over the course of the night would start getting frizzy and fuzzy and stuff. So this is just to keep the top of my head down. So there's that, and then we go in with the bonnet. I honestly need to get a bigger bonnet, but this one works, so it's all good. Just like that, I put everything in there. And just like that, we're ready for the new work day. This literally only took me 7 minutes, but it probably would have been faster. I wasn't telling y'all, you know, how I do stuff. So yeah, this is the end of my video, because y'all already seen what it looks like in the morning at the beginning. And I'll put another clip or whatever so you can see the tea. But yeah, that's my end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully I helped you be a gym girl and still have your natural hair out and straighten or whatever, because this has worked really well for me. Literally all last week I only straightened my hair one time when I obviously when I installed everything, didn't straighten it again. This is all I did. I put that headband on in the gym, let it dry, take it off, Flexi ride for the next day. That's what I did every day. So yeah, hopefully, like I said, hopefully this was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on, you know, hair. And if you just want to see me do my hair, because that's kind of what I do on this channel, hair lifestyle. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, holla down in the DMs, in the comments, and let me know what's the tea, if you're feeling it, if you bought the Wiggins hair. I'm talking too much. Bye.